In this video I show you why you should put detergent or washing powder in your toilet. Because even if it sounds strange at first, detergent is perfect for cleaning the toilet. The reason for this are surface sands, the most important components of detergent, because these cause the dissolving of dirt and deposits. The water softener contained in the detergent also removes lime scale and urine scale. To benefit from this, you should pour about a half cup of detergent for white laundry into your toilet. That is, you distribute it once nicely in your toilet. You can also flush beforehand, because then the whole thing is a bit moistened and the washing powder sticks much easier in the toilet. If you have now distributed everything once in your toilet bowl, then you have to wait only about 15 to 20 minutes in this time. The whole thing can act and develop the full cleaning power. In addition to the ingredients just mentioned, which ensure that the toilet here is really nice, clean, the antibacterial bleach also help us, which we also find in washing powder. Because this also benefits the toilet once. If the 15 to 20 minutes are over, you must scrub the whole thing only once again, well with the toilet brush. Brush everything really nice in all corners and also a bit under the edge, if that is possible. After that, you only have to flush once and you have cleaned your toilet with conventional washing powder. After that, everything is sparkling clean again and all the dirt is gone. You can do the whole thing regularly instead of using toilet cleaner, or it would be also an option, for example, if the toilet cleaner is empty. Then you can also simply reach for the washing powder, because you certainly still have some in the house. If you liked the video, then I would be really happy about a thumbs up. Feel free to write me in the comments if it worked for you too, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.